Hello, I'm Carlos Cacuango. I'm a coordinator for Experiential Tours here in Living and Learning International in Ecuador. We want to invite you to bring your biology class here on a faculty-led trip. Here in Ecuador, we're one of the most biodiverse countries. We have 4 regions, and right now I'm in the highlands where we have the city of Quito that's surrounded by 7 major volcanoes. You can come and explore with your students with your biology class. We also have the Amazon region where you can take your classroom with you and explore and work on research with our research station we partner with. You can also go on night hikes and explore all the biodiversity that the Amazon region offers to you. You can also take your students to the famous Galapagos Islands where there's so many islands where you can go and see different species. The famous Darwin finches, the giant tortoises, and the blue-footed boobies. Come and join us on an experiential tour trip.